Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with the tune-up report for Michael in North Dakota on this RCI-2995DXCF. Michael, got it ready to go for you, bud. Our tune alignment, RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug. It'll turn around 5 watts, so you have full adjustability if you decide to run an amplifier. And about 44 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, 80 bird. So plenty of forward swing there. 250 watt slug in PEP. Hello, 185, 190. All right, Michael, it's ready to come back to you. Appreciate your business, and check out the website if you're watching this and haven't. www.truckcbsales.com, and make sure you hit the subscribe so you can keep up with all these tune-up videos we got going on. Truck waving, got down, bump bump.